If you run a business in 2026 and still work like it's 2024, you're falling behind. Not because you're not working hard, because the operators pulling ahead aren't working harder. They're using better tools, smarter workflows, and measurable automation. This channel is for you, solo founders, operators, and small business owners who actually use AI to get work done. Not creators who post about it, people who run things. Every Tuesday and Thursday we publish practical, evidence-first episodes, real AI tool reviews, side-by-side workflow tests, and clear cost breakdowns. No hypotheticals, no theory. We show what works, what fails, and what it costs to implement, with real screenshots, dashboards, and before and after metrics. ChatGPT, Claude, practical agent patterns, data pipelines, KPI dashboards, tools that move the needle for operators right now. Our promise is simple: no hype, no fluff, just practical AI insights for people who run things. Expect a steady mix of short tool rundowns, step-by-step workflow builds, and deeper case studies showing impact on time, margins, and headcount. We'll tell you when a tool is ready for production, when it's overpromised, and how to plug it into your stack without breaking operations. If that sounds like you, subscribe and hit the bell. New episodes Tuesday and Thursday. Next episode drops Thursday. The exact AI stack we use at Market Pulse HQ, how it saves hours every week, and the real costs behind it. Market Pulse HQ. No hype, no fluff, just practical AI for people who run things. Follow at Market Pulse HQ TV. See you Thursday.